北爱尔兰有2个14岁少年涉嫌要性侵一个查某囡仔，因为这2个少年人拢是罗马尼亚的。这件代志也造成族群对立，引起反移民的示威。有几若百个人上街头，这情势失控，暴动已经连续3暝啊，到达有12个人被逮捕。
民众伫车路放火烧物件，大声喝休，暴动愈来愈严重。当局泉水来压制，示威者闪过水条，根本就无咧惊。这竟是北爱尔蘭巴利比納鎮連續第3案發生暴動。
As of this afternoon, 6 individuals have now been arrested for public order offences. 1 has been charged. And I assure you that prosecutions will undoubtedly come. During the course of the disorder in Ballymena, after warnings were issued, authorised officers discharged 13 attenuating energy projectiles and a water cannon was deployed in an attempt to disperse the clouds.
规个事件是因为车狗有2个14岁罗马尼亚的青少年涉嫌要甲当地一个少女性侵，因2个人被逮捕甲起诉，不过拢否认犯案。伫法庭，由罗马尼亚语的翻译员宣读内容，抗议的民众甲这个过程看作是外来者的犯罪。刷地区社区附近移民的家庭真做受到攻击的目标，有的甚至伫门口打标语，讲这是菲律宾的家庭，或者是阮支持英国。
I woke up 12 midnight because I heard some people outside, and I saw in the window I saw the other guys wearing a black jacket and black pants, and also they wearing a mask.
It looks like scary like that.
Because they start banging the window of our neighbors.
除了媒体报道以万份外来者、甲种族暴力等等的用语，北爱尔蘭的警方嘛指出，有部分的暴力分子的行为是针对移民者来的，而且有明顯種族仇恨的動機。英國首相史凱尼嘛譴責北愛爾蘭地區連續幾日間暴力的事件。英國政府強調，這暴力的行為敢若會讓社會分裂，希望示威的民眾愛冷靜，而且講會加派警力、車輛、甲設備來應用。公司新聞，吳文玲編譯。